Monday morning, and for breakfast we're having eggs, or a fried egg on top of broccoli and cheese. Dinner tonight, my husband and I are having blue cheese, apple, arugula, and pecan salad, and leftover soup, and the kids are just having dessert. Tonight we are having baked apples with coconut whipped cream made out of coconut milk. This morning for breakfast, Fia and Daddy made a scramble with cheese. Looks like tomato, green onion. What else? Basil and oregano. And Ashley's gonna have an egg. For dinner tonight, we're having pretty much the same thing as last night. We're having this salad, which is so good. Oh my goodness, I loved it. And some more soup, but I added chicken to the soup tonight. And then I always put cheese in our soup because I love cheese. So yeah. Breakfast this morning, my husband looks like he made some scrambled eggs with goat cheese and tapatio, and then some. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, and I didn't film, but today we are having, I just was craving some muffins, and I don't usually do almond flour just because it's very calorically dense and too much nuts in our diet, but I wanted some this morning, so we did almond flour muffins, and they're so good. Blueberry deliciousness. Okay, so tonight for dinner we're just having some curry, and I've had a couple people ask me how I make this, and it's just so easy. I just use whatever veggies we have in the fridge, and always an onion, and I saute up the onion, and then I add whatever other veggies, chop them up, add them in, and then I kind of steam them in some broth. I add some broth, and then coconut milk, and this, which is really good because it's only got like a few ingredients, and yeah, it makes a really good, delicious. Oh yeah, and I also add chicken, which I just cooked over there real quick. But this dinner took me like 20 minutes to make, so it's nice and fast. Breakfast this morning, we're having leftover muffins turned into turkeys. It's Monday morning. For breakfast, I'm having leftover curry. Asher's having some sweet potatoes, and Fia wanted sweet potato salad leftovers. So that's what we're having. So for lunch today, we're having turkey salad. Well, it's just that same salad, the apple, fresh lettuce from our garden, apple, pecans, and blue cheese, and then some turkey on top. And then the kids are just having some apple turkey, and Fia will have some pecans. Dinner tonight is leftover paleo stuffing, which is basically just mushrooms and cauliflower and a bunch of spices and some hazelnuts. It's so good. Mixed with gravy and turkey and homemade cranberry sauce. And I'm having homemade cranberry chutney on top.